Hey everybody, it's me Drake, and you're watching another edition of Khmer Cooking with Sophea. And today we are joined by Tim and Christine from Ocko Farm, and of course the star of our show, Sophea, who's getting everything ready. Say hi, Sophea.
Hi.
And then the other star of our show, you ready? Silkworms. Yes, these are silkworms. Now, they do eat these in Cambodia, and she's going to cook them up Khmer style. But these are actually Vietnamese silkworms. I don't think there's going to be much of a difference, considering they're neighbors. And we won't tell if you don't. So anyway, we're going to get everything ready and be back in just a little bit. We are beginning to get oil on the pan. I don't think this is going to be a very complex recipe, so let's see what we got going on. Oil?
Yeah. It's done.
What's that?
It's done.
That's it? Wow. All right. So we're going to let that heat up and be entertained by the sound of my dog drinking water. All right, so this is orange leaf, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put on the oil.
Put in the oil.
And it's done. We put the silkworm in the oil. On the oil.
What do you call silkworms in Khmer?
Duong.
Duum?
Độc đưa.
Duck du?
Yeah.
Oh. So the oil is obviously rather hot and splashy. Now these silkworms do come pre-cooked, so I guess in theory you could just like go to town on them, but we're gonna cook them up.
Fireworks? Yeah.
So we have, they're apparently poppy in the oil, and yeah, and they stink. They definitely have a smell to them. Oh, I do not like them, but Tim is on the positive side of the smell. Oh,
I think they smell good, but I like
so is
bugs.
Christine.
I like bugs. That's a normal thing.
I like eating them and looking at them.
That was her.
Yep.
I think. Every time I think of Christine, I think of that scene in Jurassic Park when she's going through the dinosaur droppings to find out whether the plants were ingested, and he's like, she's tenacious. I'm like, Christine, she's tenacious.
We kind of did that in Australia. We saw the cassowary poop, and we're like, what did it eat?
Oh, okay.
It was literally just all seeds.
That makes sense.
And big seeds.
Bird eats seeds.
No, but I mean, normally, when a bird, it's like gross.
Yeah.
Like this was just a pile of seeds.
Yeah, I remember. It was funny.
All right, so you can see that there's not a lot of going on with other flavors and stuff. Just some of the orange leaf in the oil. And then it looks like we're putting some scallions on it.
Oh, I forgot to put these in.
I'm going to guess it's like
We put onion.
disgusting popcorn.
Spring onion.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead, Sophia, what were you saying?
If you
put this one, but we don't have. We put this one instead.
Okay, show me.
So this one.
So it's the Knox chicken flavor bouillon powder. All right, and some salt and sugar.
Put salt a little bit. Okay. Salt a little bit. Salt a little bit.
Must be different ingredients slightly with the different countries.
Wow, the smell is very good.
Yeah, you like the smell? Yuck.
This salt sugar. You will sugar a little bit.
Okay.
And then we
This one's the one from Thailand.
the smell that I like. Let me test.
All right.
We need sugar more. Oh, no, not sugar.
Salt.
Salt. Okay.
All right. Cool. So I don't think we're gonna make a big ceremony of this because it's just like little. Snacky things. So you guys go for it. Help yourself. I will
Is it
not
hot?
be eating. My stomach is not going to be okay with this.
I mean, like temperature. Oh yeah, no.
Now, have you had silkworms before, either of you?
I had it in that package of mixed roasted bugs I got online, but those were kind of meh.
Mixed roasted bugs. Eesh.
Tastes kind of like a little like seafood.
A little bit like seafood, and there's a little
Really?
There's a little trace of peanuts in there.
Do one of you guys want to break one open and show the inside of it? I'm wondering what it looks like on the inside. Is it like...
I like the grasshoppers the best though.
Oh, so they're... Yeah.
A little bit. But this chili is not spicy.
Well,
It's not spicy a lot.
it's... What are those? The cayenne, right? That's what they use typically for this type of... It's like pizza.
Yeah, it's usually cayenne or something.
Yeah.
Cayenne seed. They're usually more attractive. Oop,
You can eat with
The green onion.
spring onion.
I'm gonna try that. The
I like
citrus
it.
leaf. Ooh, the citrus leaf is really good.
Yeah? So what's the verdict, guys? You like or not like?
Let's go try
You
the
like?
citrus leaf.
Compared to the grasshoppers, what do you think?
I like the grasshoppers the best.
Okay. This, Tim, this seems to have more flavors to it than the other one, do you think? You kind of described some interesting flavors to this versus the cricket.
Yeah, the grasshoppers were kind of more of a texture thing.
It was like that mushroomy kind of...
Yeah,
Yeah, the umami.
these
Yeah.
actually have interesting and subtle flavors going on.
And yeah, there's less prep work on this too, which I'm guessing that brings out more of the actual flavoring from the silkworm.
So you want to try a little bit?
Nope, absolutely not. My stomach is not doing well just from the smell alone, and after my incident with the crickets, I'm done. So anyway, there you have it, guys. Traditional, authentic Khmer silkworms from Vietnam. And that's it for Khmer Cooking with Sophea. So Tim and Christine, thanks for coming again.
Thanks for having us.
Yes.
Sophia, thanks for cooking up another interesting dish. And we'll see you next time. You never know what we're going to come up with next. So check it out.